I have seen so many creators on this YouTube street complaining about their live streaming not counting as watch hour. There are so many mistakes creators make on this YouTube and they do not even know that they make this type of mistake. Now, I am going to be showing you in this video why your live streaming does not count as watch hour. The number one fear of every YouTuber is going live using a lot of resources, data, time, and then at the end of the day your live streaming is not even valid, it's not counted as your public watch hour in your end page. This is a very crucial, this can be a very discouraging and very depressing moment for every YouTuber. Now, these are the small things that will let your live streaming not count as watch hour, and these are the things that you should always take note before you go live and after you have finished doing your live streaming. Now, if your YouTube live streaming does not count as watch hour, these are the reasons that makes it's not to this video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. If this is the video that you have been looking for, kindly click on the subscribe button and so that you will be able to see my future uploads. Now if your live streaming is not counting as watch hour, it simply means that you are doing a lot of things that are wrong on YouTube, which you may not know or you may know. Now, the first thing is that you are using bots and watch group to watch your live streaming. Some people do it for videos also. If you are using bots and watch group to watch your live streaming, those viewers that you have already packed, those viewers that you have bring to your live streaming are not going to be counted as valid watch hour because they are repeating watching your live streaming. Every user on YouTube, every YouTube user has an IP address on YouTube. If that person is watching, if one person has clicked on your video, one user has clicked on your video and watch, it's counted as one view. Then if you are now using some kind of bots or you are duplicating views, the person is now starting to duplicate views on their browser and all that, that live stream is not going to count because all that views is coming from one IP address, and that is not going to count as watch hour because YouTube takes their time to update your watch hour on your end page. They take their time like 3 to 7 days to be able to update the watch hour that you get on your videos for that time. Why they take their time is because many people watch your video repeatedly and those people are not supposed to count again as your views or your watch hour. Now, another thing that is making your video not count as watch hour is when you have finished streaming your video and then you delete that video. The watch hour is going to be on your end page. The watch hour is going to be on your dashboard, but it is not going to count on your end page because that video has been deleted. This particular one I'm talking about, a creator made this same mistake. She got over 3,000 watch hour. Yes, 3,000 watch hour live streaming for good 1 month, and then she mistakenly deleted her video. When she mistakenly deleted this video, she was still seeing the watch hour on her dashboard. Then it was not counting on her end page, like it was not counting as valid public watch hour. That is the reason why you shouldn't delete your video. Any video you have created, if you know that it is not good for the public, what you should do here is to keep it on unlisted or private. Now, another thing that is making your watch hour not count is maybe you have violated a policy, a YouTube policy. That is going to make your watch hour not count. Now, so what do you need to do in this scenario to be able to make your watch hour count and all your effort on YouTube is not going to be in vain? The first thing you need to do when you're done live streaming, keep your live public. Go to your YouTube, go to that live streaming, edit it and make it public so that other people can be able to watch that video, so that that watch hour that you have gotten from that live streaming can be able to count as public watch hour. You need to keep it public. If you leave your life as unlisted or as private, YouTube is not going to count that video watch hour onto your end page. That is how it works. And the second thing you need to do is always follow community guideline. If you have not violated any community guideline, your watch hour, your public watch hour is going to remain the same. It's going to keep counting on your end page. And now the last thing you need to do, and this is very important, let your replay stay uploaded. Like, do not delete your video. Let your replay stay uploaded on your channel. Even if you don't want other people to watch that video, even if you don't want people to watch, I don't know, if you have already gotten watch hour from a live streaming, why would you want to delete your video? Why would you want to delete it? Let it stay uploaded on your channel. Because many people make this mistake after getting their 4,000 watch hour and they have already applied for monetization. They go back to that video that gave them the 4,000 watch hour. Maybe it's not if the video is not what is resonating with their niche or something. Maybe they used a random video on Instagram to just get their 4,000 watch hour, and then they go ahead to delete that video. YouTube is going to demonetize your channel. That is how bad this is. So you need to leave that video on your channel to keep getting views and let it stay there, so that that watch hour that you've gotten on that video keep counting as your public watch hour for your channel. That's how you're going to make sure that your live stream keep counting as watch hour. So you need to do this thing the right way. And now, if you are doing all these things, your watch hour is going to count. If you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, click on this video right here to watch true and true how to get your 4,000 watch hour using the live stream method. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.